Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 1309 Vista Drive in Emmett. Beautiful single level home on a nice big 0.21 acre lot. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an extended carport. No rear neighbors. Beautiful street here. Sorry for my car in the way. Great neighborhood, mature trees. Newer roof, newer windows. I don't know the exact age on those. Full curbing. Landscaping's all done, fully fenced. Vinyl siding, very low maintenance, full gutter system. You can fit a full-size truck in here. And it's kind of nice that this opens up over here on the side as well. So you can access, this is a storage shed behind here. Probably be easy enough to enclose this to make a garage. Huge covered patio. Nice and shaded, and it's a nice sunny day. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Storm doors on the front and back. Nice handrails. Look at that beautiful fence. And it's got a double RV gate here in the back, or double gate. And there's a like a rock road in the back. Mountain views here on the as well. Then you've got the back shed area here that has power and concrete floor. Also has this nice overhang here. You can store your stuff out here. Go ahead and show this to you here before we get in the house. It's got power out here and a window. Here's the I think they're called splits, mini splits for the air conditioners for inside the house that can be installed here soon. And let's take you now inside the home. Okay, walking back up to the front. Again, very low maintenance landscaping. I like the handrail there, nice feature. Love the storm door here, which is nice so you can keep the house secure and open it up. Get some fresh air coming through in the spring, summer. You walk inside and first thing you notice is all the new laminate style flooring in here. I have to double check if it's vinyl plank or laminate, but it's great for pets, families. It's just easy care and maintenance. Very neutral colors, ceiling fan. Room for most any size furniture in here. And then here's the latest addition to the home with the wood burning stove. A nice big mantle area underneath it. This will heat up a house. Notice you've got the additional outlet up here for hanging a TV. Makes it easy. I'll pan around the room here for you. Nice big windows, again newer. And then one of my favorite areas of the house, which is the kitchen and dining area. Beautiful wood cabinetry. Stove top here. Refrigerator is included. It's nice and clean and ready for you. Again, just really nice cabinets. And you have the Venetian gold, real granite. Look how thick this is. Just super thick granite, high quality. And they've got the blinds in here, top down, bottom up. I love it when the window's right over the sink, so you look out over the backyard. Nice big sink here, stainless steel, undermounted. With your garbage, oh, it's got little kid locks on here. And you've got your garbage disposal down there, your dishwasher. This house has radiant ceiling heating, and don't be intimidated by that. It's super easy. Comes right out. A lot of people think heat rises, but with radiant heat, it's different. So it's, I've talked to some HVAC type of people and said they work really well. This is the pantry with the louvered doors. So you got plenty of storage here for your food. That's by your electric water heater. And then over here is your laundry area with some built-ins as well up there. So it's nice. And this door, of course, goes out to the back patio. Nice secure deadbolt that heads out there. Okay, so now you have your bearings. It's got the walk-through kitchen, which I love instead of being a galley kitchen. Fit a lot of people in here. One more thing in here, you've got the Lazy Susan right here, which is child lock. Got the Lazy Susan built in. Very nice cable outlet right there. Remote control for the ceiling fan. In here, coat closet, which is a nice thing. At my house, we actually made this type of closet into a secondary pantry. So we did built-in shelves in there and used it more for that, but whatever works for you and yours. Lots of lighting in here, the recessed can lighting in the hallway. Sometimes the camera makes things look a little bit more narrow than they are. This is the guest bath here, bathtub. I like the little features they put throughout the house in here. Has the upgraded elongated toilet. Vanity. Has some kind of cool, you don't get this in the brand new house, it's just kind of the cool trim work on the older features. And then you've got the really nice mirror there and light fixture. Your fans. Wood doors. Another storage cabinet here with adjustable shelves. And the next bedroom, bedroom number 2, all newer carpet in here. Nice big window with the wood wrap. Big closet in this one. And this room has this extra space back here, which is great. It's got plenty of room if you wanted to put a couple kids in here or make it a home office, whatever you want to do. And it has the two-tone paint with the white lid. With the 8-foot ceilings, that's a really nice thing. It just keeps the house nice and bright. Now we're going into the primary bedroom. And it's got a ceiling fan in here. Again, beautiful paint job. Well done. The windows. Again, looking out at the mountain range there, which is really nice. Zoom in. No back neighbors staring into your backyard here. Not on the sides either. So it's very private, which is nice. And last but not least, the primary bathroom. Again, elongated toilet. Really nice vanity with kind of the barn door thing here. Oh, it needs to get pushed in. I'll mess with it when I have the hand free. And the mirror, light fixtures, and nice shower with the glass door enclosure and the detachable head. Thank you for viewing. Again, Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. I'm here to answer any questions you or your agent might have. And thank you for touring with me.